Hi, this is Jenny Walker from DigiGoods and Printables ELA. Welcome to Section 2 of my Argumentative Essay Writing Workshop, Prewriting and Brainstorming. If you've stumbled upon this video from YouTube, you can find a link for this workshop in the description. In this section, we're going to focus on choosing and developing a topic and finding the strongest reasons related to your topic. It's a good idea to set your computer to a split screen so that you can watch this video and see your slides at the same time. Let's scroll down to the next slide, which for me is slide 25. It may be a little bit different for you, but it should be somewhere in that neighborhood. Here's what you need to know. As we briefly discussed in the previous video, it's important to choose a controversial topic, one that can be reasonably argued and supported with evidence on either side of the issue. Your topic needs to be a topic that people can disagree with. The next thing that's important to know is that it is okay to choose the side of an argument that you don't necessarily agree with. Let's say your teacher allows you to pair up with a classmate so that each of you can argue one side of the same topic. Well, you might get stuck with a side of the argument that you don't agree with. Just remember that you're doing this for the purpose of learning how to write an argumentative essay. So therefore, it's okay to take the opposite side. Good writers can write from any perspective. Go ahead and slide to the next scroll to the next slide. Here is a list of topic suggestions. These are popular controversial topics. You could choose one of these topics, or you might have a different topic in mind. As long as your teacher approves, you should be good to go. You can move the red circle to indicate which topic you've chosen, kind of like this. Also, notice at the top of the slide is a link to procon.org. This is my favorite website for students to use for quick research when writing an argumentative essay. There's a ton of information about lots of controversial topics on this site. Side note, this research site is for beginners. As you get older and more experienced, you will be asked to use more advanced sources. But as a beginning writer, it's great to have access to quick research on hand so that you can focus on learning how to write. However, your teacher might ask you to use different sources, so be prepared for that. Pause this video and choose a topic that you find interesting. Now that you've selected your topic, you will need to develop a claim about that topic. Scroll down to approximately slide 27 and click on the first sticky note and type in your topic. Then pause this video to watch this other great video about claims. Side note, in this video, she sometimes calls a claim an assertion. They mean the same thing. Now that you've finished the video, click on the second sticky note and type in your claim. You should be able to do this in one sentence. Just tell what you think is true about this topic. Moving right along to slide 28. Now that you know your topic and your claim, you need a few strong reasons that reveal why you believe that your claim is true. Your teacher will tell you how many reasons you need. A quick place to help you find these reasons is on the link to procon.org. Let's take a look at this website and I'll show you why this site is so cool. Let's pretend I'm going to write a paper on homework and I want to explore the question, is homework beneficial? I decide to argue that homework is beneficial, so I'm going to look at some of the pros of homework. These pros, which are the subheadings in bold, are the reasons. Reason number 1, homework improves student achievement. Reason number 2, homework helps reinforce learning and develop good study habits. And if I keep scrolling down, I'll see more reasons. So I'm going to choose the reasons that I think are the strongest. These reasons will become part of my thesis statement, and I will write a paragraph or maybe more than one paragraph for each of these reasons, but we'll learn more about that later. You can pause this video to do some of your own research and find reasons that support your claim. Your teacher may allow you to use procon.org, or they may instruct you to use different sources for information. Always follow your teacher's instructions. Once you have found 2 to 4 strong pieces of evidence or strong reasons, type them in the sticky notes. This concludes section 2. Join me in the next video, section 3, where we will discuss evidence that supports these claims and reasons. Once again, if you've stumbled upon this video from YouTube, you can find a link to the workshop in the description below. I am Jenny Walker from DigiGoods and Printables ELA, and I hope to see you in the next video.